We know what light is, but what is nuclear energy? Nuclear energy is a slew of particle interactions that undergo various motions between atoms and space. And these particle interactions cause energy to increase, decrease, or stabilize. There is not a whole lot of understanding of what nuclear energy really is, but there's enough to say that it is a slew of particle interactions where the atom contains several different types of particles, and they interact in special ways. But generally, there is a consensus that if you have a nuclear charge on an atom, it is possibly slightly charged or it is missing an electron or more than one electron. So light comes from electrons in the form of photons that they know of, but it also causes a nuclear reaction when that occurs. So it may also cause a magnetic field or different weird shaped particle interactions and fields with various motions. So nuclear energy is one of the reasons why we cannot come up with free energy. Nuclear energy and electricity and electrons and photons and magnetism all basically prevent us from having free energy, like our perpetual energy. It's the law of nuclear electromagnetic photonic energy that keeps a stable balance and also goes into a negative feedback. So there's really no continuous positive feedback, except for the fact that we might use something to chain react, which produces byproducts. So technically, we have ample amounts of fuel and energy. It's just the big problem is that it's not pollutionless. So nuclear energy will keep us alive for quite some time, but it will pollute the earth eventually. We think that it's doing that today. We think that we are in climate change and all kinds of things like that. But and it's all because of these basic physical principles called nuclear, electro, photonic, and magnetic energy. And it all has to do with all the particles that are constituent to the atom and various kinds of atoms and how they interact specifically. So, this video is going to be called What is Nuclear Energy?